This is the new Crossroad Market in Crossroad. So it's not new, but they did a lot of renovations. I hope these guys take care of it. So far, it doesn't look like they are, but it looks really nice. It looks modern. This is in Crossroad in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. Crossroad Meat Market. So you see, and they look nice and organized now. Before it was really messy and congested. And yeah, it just looks more modern, so I like this. And they have a washroom now. Yeah. So guys, check it out. Crossroad Market. Right outside Crossroad Market. What bus is this? These buses, where do they go? Spanish Town, okay. Right by the Spanish Town Road buses. You can't miss it.